Hello and welcome to another water review for YouTube. This one is water review number 85. Today is Friday, January 31st, 2020. And for this water review, I will be reviewing another Glaceau product. This week, I will be reviewing Glaceau's Smart Water Sparkling Flavored Edition, and this one is strawberry blood orange flavoring. And it seems like they have a bunch of different flavors now, which is very cool. And unlike Glaceau's other offering, which was a fruit water, it included real fruit juice. This one uses natural flavorings to get its flavor, which I'm more of a fan of. But since we've done a lot of Glaceau products, we've done Glaceau Smart Water Sparkling, just the regular plain version, fruit water, and now this one, I will just do a quick overview of Glaceau. Glaceau is a company based out of New York State in the United States. They also go by energy brands, and they have a lot of different products under their umbrella, which is owned by Coca-Cola. So they have Smart Water Sparkling Flavored. They have vitamin water as well, and fruit water. So a lot of different products. And because they're owned by Coca-Cola, they have a really nice website. It's beautifully designed. They have a lot of product information about their vapor distillation process, which is what they use to distill all of their smart water products. And they also talk about their proprietary electrolyte mineral blend, which this water also has, and so does all of their other smart water products. And then they go into a little bit of detail about each of their flavors, and they do include a nutrition facts table and an ingredients list on their website. However, they don't include anything about the minerals that they're adding, how much of each mineral they're adding. I guess they want to keep it secret, but it would have been nice to see even on their website. Another thing they include on their website is information about their plant bottle, which Coca-Cola has a patent on. For 30% of the bottles are made out of plant materials, which is very cool. A nice little environmental initiative there. However, I would have liked to have seen a little bit more about their CSR initiatives on their website. Since they are a Coca-Cola brand, they should have a lot of CSR initiatives, but I guess you could go to the Coca-Cola website to see those. Now moving on to their bottle design and materials, and this bottle looks a lot like that Sanavi bottle I reviewed last week. There are a few minor changes, but overall it's very similar. Nice high quality plastic bottle. This one's the half-liter bottle, so it's very slender and slim, and it just doesn't really fit in a cup holder nicely. However, materials are excellent. The cap itself, this one's a little bit nicer than the Sanavi one. It's made out of a little bit of a softer plastic, not as harsh of a grip along the sides, which is nice. And they actually put a little water droplet to indicate this is smart water on the top of the cap there. They've also done what Sanavi's done and colored the cap to indicate the flavor, which is the strawberry blood orange. And they've also done this on the label. The label's made out of this nice clear plastic. It's completely glued all the way around. This one has bubbled up a bit, but overall really well glued on bottle label. And they've also indicated the flavor here in the coloring of the Smart Water logo. So they have the double water droplet Smart Water logo here with little accents of blood orange along the sides of the water droplet, which is a nice little indication. They've also indicated the flavor at the bottom front here, which is strawberry blood orange. On the side of the bottle, they have a nutrition facts table and an ingredients list as well, but they don't again include a mineral table, which would have been nice to see on the bottle. Now we'll move on to taste and nose of this Smart Water Sparkling Strawberry Blood Orange. Now, as you can see, the carbonation has stayed in, which is really good. It really shows how high quality the bottle is, since this has been sitting in my fridge for several months, but it is good to see that the carbonation has stayed in. Now, on the nose, you really just get a very strong strawberry smell. You don't really get much blood orange, maybe like a little bit low down blood orange smell, but really the dominant smell here is the strawberry. Now, on the taste. Again, on the taste, the dominant flavor really is that strawberry flavor. You do get a little bit of kind of zesty sweetness, which might be, you could attribute that to the blood orange, but really it just comes off as a very strong strawberry flavor. And you do actually get a little bit of that metallic Smart Water base flavor profile from their electrolyte and mineral blend, which I know some people don't like, but personally I am a big fan of that flavoring. And so really just a nice strawberry flavor. If you like strawberry, then I would go with this one. I'm not the biggest fan of strawberry. I really picked this out to see if it did have a nice blood orange flavor, which it really doesn't. So I'm not a huge fan of this, but if you do like strawberry, it's a nice kind of artificial strawberry flavoring, similar to like a strawberry jello, but still quite nice. So now in terms of final score. For company history and interestingness, the website for Glaceau is quite nice. They have a well-designed website, a lot of information about their distillation process, about their plant bottle, and about each one of their products as well. The only thing I would have liked to have seen was a mineral breakdown as well as some CSR initiatives. So in terms of company history and interestingness, they get 2.25 out of 2.5 points. In terms of bottle design and materials, bottle materials are excellent all around. The cap is very nice, the bottle's very nice, and the label itself is nicely glued on and very handsomely designed. It's got that typical Smart Water design language to it. However, again, I would have liked to have seen a mineral table. So in terms of bottle design and materials, they get 2.25 out of 2.5 points as well. In terms of taste and nose, the taste and nose really is strawberry. It's almost like they just added on blood orange to make it seem a bit more exotic, a bit more interesting, but you're really just getting that strawberry flavor. So if you like that, then you will like this. It also has that background Smart Water mineral flavoring, which I'm a big fan of. Some people aren't. So in terms of taste and nose, I'm giving them 2.5 out of 4 points. I'm not a huge fan of strawberry, so really not my favorite flavoring to choose. In terms of value, this half-liter bottle came out at around $1.89, which is quite expensive for a half-liter flavored sparkling water. So really, I'd just pick up a plain sparkling water and flavor it yourself or make it at home or something like that. But really, around $2 for a half liter is quite expensive. So if you're willing to pay for that premium brand and bottle and all that stuff, then maybe, but I'm really not willing to pay that much. So in terms of value, they get 1/4 out of 1 point. Tallying it all up, they get a final score of 7.25 out of 10 points. A lot better than what I gave Smart Water Sparkling, the plain version, as well as the fruit water I reviewed, which maybe I was a bit harsh on those ones. I was looking back at the scores and I gave them quite a low score for their company history and interestingness. But a 7.25 for this one, it is certainly much better than the fruit water. And I think maybe if I was to go back and redo the plain sparkling Smart Water, I would have liked it more. I hope you all enjoyed my review of Glaceau's Smart Water Sparkling Blood Orange and Strawberry flavor. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below which waters or foods you'd like me to review next. There's some new foods I would like to try out, like Tim Hortons has a new Timbit cereal I would like to try. So let me know if you'd like to see some food reviews, and I will see you all next week in another video. Thank you.